Hey YouTube, welcome back to my vlog channel. I've not decided what to call it yet. It might be like Katie's Cravings or Katie's Chronicles or something along those lines. But I'm not sure. But we are outside of Ikea right now and we're on this hunt for a pegboard. Now it's not what you think. No, it's not what it sounds like, is what I'm like. It's just like a board with a bunch of holes in it. So we're gonna look for a pegboard. So see y'all there. This is also cute. So this is what you get. Oh, this is the pegboard, guys. So you can basically just put like a bunch of different stuff in the holes, and
so do you like this size?
I mean, this looks like two different ones.
Do you like this size?
Yeah, I like this size. I can fit a lot of things on it. Let's look inside. Wow. I think I'm gonna get this pegboard. This store is so cool. This is not a store, this is like a display, but it looks like a hair store, like a hair salon. Oh my god. Hey guys. Wow, look at those lights. I like those. And I also want to get some fake plants for my dorm, or real plants. Okay guys, we got a lot more stuff since I last talked to y'all, but we got one of those shoe hanging things from the closet. You can like put things in the different compartments. What else? Yay, baby shampoo! So it's time to eat. Finally. This was it's like an endless abyss. It's like a maze. Is that same? So yeah, we're gonna eat, maybe do a little mukbang, try some new things. We're definitely getting some meatballs, and yeah, see y'all when we order. Hey guys, so we both got the 8-count meatball meal at Ikea, so we're gonna try this. Maybe we'll do a little mukbang. Should I put the phone here? Okay, that's good. They can barely see us though. Let's try these meatballs. Tris's putting salt and pepper on. I just kind of want to dig in. Okay. That's pretty good.
I just wish it wasn't peas though. I hate peas. Well, I don't hate them much.
It's like a hard thing. I feel like the only good thing is the meatballs, to be honest. I don't really like cranberry thing. The mashed potatoes are alright. Put some salt. I like the sauce.
The
on
gravy?
meatballs. Yeah. That's good gravy. I like really peppery mashed potatoes.
Yeah, me too.
That's good. I'm trying the peas. Tastes like peas. I don't know. Tris does not have a YouTube channel, but she is on TikTok.
No. And for private TikTok.
A private TikTok. So my millions of fans can't follow her. Do you like the cranberry stuff? Oh, should I try it?
Yeah.
Trying the cranberry.
I'm gonna try it alone.
That's interesting.
It helps to like brighten up the plate.
Like color wise.
Both.
I wish you could get just the meatballs. I was saying this in line. I wish you could get just the meatballs. And the like mac and cheese too. I would do that.
And you do the combo.
I was just really digging into her peas.
Well, I'm just eating all of them first because they're my least favorite.
Okay, I'm gonna start with more. I feel like this is boring. Okay, here are the pegboards. I'm on a white one. Okay, wait. This is kind of overwhelming. There's so many things. Here's the pegboard. What should I get on this one? Cart. Yeah, is that the only size they have?
This is the size you want it.
Okay, yeah. We'll get this one. Okay, we got a lot of stuff for the pegboard. We got
Just do it all.
we got some hooks and things. Okay, we're in the warehouse about to check out. I got a stick of bamboo as well as a money tree, and we got a little card and my pegboard with all the accessories. We're about to check out. I'm very happy about my stick. Okay. It's kind of aesthetic. Here's all the things we got in this type of view. These are my plants. I got a money tree and my bamboo, my pegboard, desk organizers, storage bins, it's like a cart you can see, and this is a pot for my money tree. It looks really cute. Yes. Okay, well, that is about it for the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. We're now back at home and we're gonna bring everything inside. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my move-in vlog and dorm tour and all that type of stuff that I will be doing. So bye, thank you. Oh, I mean, like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.